Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. Before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, we're gonna simply go ahead, open up our browser, type in AliExpress and search your official website. You can also do it in your app as well, the website, and then you're gonna go ahead, go to the section of logging in and tap on it and add in your login in details. If you have created with your Google account, your email address and the password. Once you're logged in, you're gonna simply go ahead, go to the section of my account where you will be able to access the option of my orders. Tap on the my order option, then from over here simply go ahead, scroll down, and you will gonna choose the invoice that you would like to get. Once you've chosen that one, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this option of order details, go ahead, do it. Then from over there you will be able to see an option called download invoice. Right away simply go ahead, tap on it. Now you will be able to choose a format, choose the PDF format, and simply go ahead, check out your email, because it will be because you will be asked to add in your email to get the PDF file directly to be downloaded over there in email. Go ahead, add in the email, and go ahead, check it out whether you have received it or not. Once you have received it, and that is it, you can simply save it in your device. So that's how you can get it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.